My name is Godwin Yeboah, and the title of my proposal is Towards a Community of Digital Humanities Research Software Engineers in the Midlands. The outline of my presentation is in three strands and covers who I am professionally, what I do, and my plans for the fellowship. I'm currently a senior research software engineer at the University of Warwick with over a decade of research and teaching experience in the UK and beyond. My professional background is interdisciplinary in nature and spans various fields including research software engineering and digital humanities. I'm actively involved in two professional communities. I'm an active member and elected trustee of the Society of Research Software Engineering. I lead the World Urban Infrastructure Group there. I'm also a fellow of the Royal Geographical Society. I hold academic degrees in human and social geography, software technology, geoinformatics and photogrammetry, and geodetic engineering. I'm a founding member of RSC Midlands Community, and my work has been recognized with prestigious awards. In my current role as a senior research software engineer, I'm at the forefront of digital research, particularly in the digital humanities space. My work involves a blend of research, software development, and teaching. I collaborate with researchers to create robust, reusable software that enhances the quality and impact of their work. This includes everything from developing new digital tools to improving existing platforms, ensuring they are sustainable and reliable. I have developed innovative tools and interfaces such as the interactive multi-search interface for the French theatre calendar of performances between the 18th century and the 19th century. My contributions extend to several research projects funded by UKRI and NIHR. I have over 60 publications and my works have been cited over 1,300 times. I have been involved in the organization of RSC Midlands conferences. For example, in this year's conference, I presented on RSCs in digital humanities, where I proposed the formation of digital humanities research software engineers community in the Midlands. I contributed to the success of the Research Software Engineering Conference 2024 held in Newcastle upon Tyne, where I volunteered as a session chair and reviewer. As a trustee of Society of Research Software Engineering, I attend trustee meetings and activities. The goal of this proposal is to establish a visible and collaborative community of digital humanities research software engineers, DHRSEs, in the Midlands. Broadly, digital humanities is an interdisciplinary field that combines traditional humanities research with digital tools and methods to analyze, interpret, and present cultural and historical data. The field of digital humanities is rapidly evolving, leveraging digital technologies, skills, and research software engineering professionals' expertise to enhance and transform traditional humanities research. There is a growing need for a dedicated network of DHRSEs who are research software engineers who work in the digital humanities space to support this dynamic field. This need revolves around having space for knowledge exchange and collaboration. As a bottom-up approach to addressing this need, this proposal calls for a cohesive network or community of DHRSEs in the Midlands. The objectives are to create a platform for knowledge sharing and collaboration, promote the work of DHRSEs, share software development best practices for humanities research, conduct desktop studies and surveys to understand the DHRSE landscape in the region. The following proposed activities and budget are meant to realize the goal and objectives. First, to conduct desktop studies and targeted surveys. Second, to organize 2 workshops to allow DHRSEs to share knowledge and best practices. Third, and as part of creating an online presence, the plan is to develop a website and use social media platforms for continuous engagement. The estimated budget for this proposal is £4,000, which is meant for organizing the workshops. This proposal takes a bottom-up and grassroots approach towards the formation of DHRSE community. There are emerging national and international efforts on promoting the work of DHRSEs. Despite ongoing efforts to nationalize and internationalize DHRSE communities, there is a lack of cohesive network or community of DHRSEs in the Midlands or at the regional level. This proposal therefore aims to fill this gap by establishing a visible platform for knowledge sharing and collaboration among RACs working in digital humanities in the region. Community establishment will be one of the expected outcomes and impact, followed by enhanced collaboration, sustainability, knowledge sharing, and community of practice. I will conclude by saying that the proposed activities align with the themes and focus areas of the SSI fellowship program, particularly on the theme capable research communities. Thank you for listening.